5 p.m. at Merrill Field. Alpha Aviation pilot Connor Buzzell takes off for the return flight to Moose Pass. He's picking up 2 engineers who have been fixing a cell tower for the small town. But the winter light is already fading.
Hopefully those guys are ready to go, and we're just trying to get ahead of sunset, which is at 1840. So we have about a 6:30 p.m. arrival, 1830. And so we're definitely chasing sunset right here.
The race is on to pick the engineers up while Connor can still see the terrain below.
A little bit of a storm moving in. It'll bump me up here in a minute.
As Connor sets course over the bay separating Anchorage from the Kenai Peninsula, the sun is already settling behind nearby mountain peaks.
A lot more clouds building up. We're supposed to have some precipitation tonight, some snow falling. So we're moving as quickly as we can to get these guys back.
At Moose Pass, engineers Wesley Bowl and Jacob Philpott have reconnected the community and the surrounding valleys to the modern world. A high-vis marker on the snow allows Connor to land without eating up precious time.
How'd it go?
It went all right, man. We got the problem fixed, so.
All in all, that wasn't a bad day. Cellular technologies are back up and running the way they're supposed to, so anybody that's driving the roads, anybody who's staying down in the cabins down there, they're good to go.
The engineers waste no time packing, and Connor is airborne within minutes.
Yeah, I'm definitely ready to go take a hot shower.
Connor races north to beat the setting sun.
Route Surface Romeo 0353 Zulu, wind 350 at 9 miles to the southwest, coming out of Trinity Arm, descending out of 3000.
As darkness falls, the lights of Anchorage are a welcome sight.
Home, sweet home. Track 950, 2 miles there, make right traffic, runway 25.
Overall, today was a pretty good, successful day. Got ahead of the sunset, and so got back at a reasonable time. It was fun.
Hey, G, thanks a lot, man.